Microsoft Teams is one of the most commonly and widely used collaboration platforms in the market today. In fact, there are over 145 million daily users of Microsoft Teams. So today, we're going to be looking at a couple tips and tricks on how to fine-tune using your Microsoft Teams platform. I'm Nick Martin with Mainstreet IT Solutions. Stick around to find out more. Microsoft Teams is a powerful application in which you can set up various Teams channels to collaborate with people within and outside your organization, as well as having individual private conversations with individuals or groups of people. And although this is an incredibly useful and very collaborative feature, it can also create different issues such as being unable to find certain pieces of information or people groups quickly, especially those that are commonly used. Now, Microsoft Teams has this ability to pin certain features, certain groups of conversations at the top so they're easily accessible and always be able to be found. If you open up your Teams application, you can see that there are various conversations, and if you click the three dots next to the group that you most commonly want to access, what you'll find here is the option to pin that conversation or Teams channel to the very top. Once you click the pin option, all your conversations or Teams messages will actually show up in the top left under the pins column, and this is where you'll be able to find all your top conversations and all your top Teams channels. One of the final things you'll be able to do with your pinned options is be able to drag and drop based on priority. So you'll be able to grab the team group or the conversation group by its name and either drag it upward or downward based on your priority and where you want to see that in its order. Microsoft Teams is a gigantic application in which it can be configured in many various different ways. And so we're going to spend more time looking at Microsoft Teams and how to fine-tune your processes within Teams and to better utilize its strength. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.